Hello, today I'm going to read Maisy's Race Car. 메이지의 경주 자동차. Today, Maisy and her friends are going to have a race. How exciting! Everyone lines up. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Ready, set, go! Maisy zooms out in front and heads for the first bend. Eddie and Cyril are watching and cheering. But wait! Who's that up ahead? Slow down, everybody! Tortoise is crossing the track. Tortoise crosses safely. And the race is back on. Now, Tallulah takes the lead. She's going really fast, but not fast enough. Charley zooms past and wins the race. It's time to celebrate with ice cream. What a lot of fun! That's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.